Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Okay, so you got me on the ground right now because I don't know where my tripod is at, and I've been looking for it, so we're gonna bear with the process. So back into the video. Today's wig that we're gonna be reviewing today, I had picked her up from the hair store, and this is what the tags look like, pretty much. Yeah, and I had got this color because I wanted to get, I wanted to get that Beyonce color or whatever, just to see like what the color would look like on me. It is what it is. You got a little bang, a curl, a nice little bang in the front that I just messed up or whatever. Here's the inside. The inside looks like this. There's just yeah, that's what the inside looks like. There's some adjustable straps right here. So I took the tag out the wig or whatever, and here's we looking like, you already know. But nah, I braided my own hair. I actually did real good for these braids or whatever, but yeah, get into it. So this is my little stocking cap. Don't mind the foundation on it or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to adjust the adjustable straps and go ahead and put the wig on. I had got her from my local beauty supply store, and when I went there wasn't like no other color or no other boxes. I just got her off the mannequin head because that's what I liked it. So I was just like, yeah, go ahead, run me here. So I think I got her for like they gave me a discount. They had gave me a discount. I always get discounts every time I go there, so I'm always shopping there pretty much. But yeah, they gave me a discount on it, so I think I only paid like $20 for her. I'm not really sure. Okay, we definitely need a comb. Can I see? Okay, yeah. And she's actually 30 inches too as well, so I like this one. I am getting a little shedding. It's not a lot, but I mean, it's not like some good hair or whatever. It's just some cheap hair. So I'm definitely gonna be expecting shedding, but not too much, like where it's crazy now. But yeah, I know I'm gonna cut the bangs. I'm gonna show you guys that process too as well. Cause this is giving pretty much wig vibes with the bang like this. I don't like the bang. How can I? Hey, my name is Sapphire. So I'm put all this back, and I'm gonna get what is this called? I don't know, but I forgot what it's called. But I'm gonna cut her up a little bit because she's a little bit too long for me. I don't really like long bangs like that. I like bangs, but my forehead not that big, so I don't see why they need to be so long. Going to go about that. Ooh, girl. Ooh, child. Things are gonna get easier. But I don't, okay, yeah, it's the bangs. It's just the bangs for me. I don't know how to like, really, yeah, I'm just let the bangs go with the flow. But yeah, I'm also about to, I'm gonna put some eyelashes on just to see how it's really, what it's really giving. You know, because the eyelashes be adding, maybe adding the tea to it, baby. Waiting on my my shipment to come in, but as of right now, I'm just gonna use these lashes I had brought from, yeah, the hair store, as you can see. I'm about to put on them hoes and get them hoes popping in on these. When you apply lashes, you apply, you know, you put the little glue on there on the little lash strip or whatever. And when you look at your eye, look at it like this, like from this person. See, that's not even on all the way, as you can see over there, but we ain't gonna speak on that. Okay, guys, so that was like basically the end of this tutorial. I'm gonna with you guys with a overall review on this wig, but so far the unboxing of this wig and how everything is just flowing to the T, like how I really like it. You know, it's a really good affordable wig, girl. You ain't got to spend like too much coins. I am really in love with this wig, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video and stay tuned for more.